Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add fonts to your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging in, you will be greeted by all of the settings right here that you can access inside Webflow. So as you can see right here, I can see all of the websites that I have already created, and here I have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use this website right here that I have created called YouTube Tutorials. Go ahead guys and open up YouTube Tutorials by clicking on the website right here, clicking on Open Designer, and now this will open up the website right here in the page. And as you can see, at the both sides of the screen we have the option to edit a page. At the left side of the screen we have the option to go ahead and add new elements to the website. We can add new elements and new features to the website. We can even see our components, we can see our settings option, and so on. On the right side of the screen, you have the option to go ahead and style your components, and you have even your element settings. You can just style all of the elements and features that you have added to your pages to make sure you like how they look. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and open up the upper left corner right here and click on the Webflow button right here. Now this will open up this menu, and we want to go ahead and open up the site settings option right here. Go ahead guys and click on site settings, and now this will open up this new page where it will bring you to your site settings. And what we can do guys, go ahead and open up under this option. We want to find the fonts option right here. Go ahead guys and click on fonts, and now this will open up this new page where we can add custom fonts. So let's scroll down, and here we have the option to upload custom font files. So what you can do is go ahead and click on upload, and then you can select from any folder that you want the custom font that you want to use. After selecting guys, it will automatically be uploaded to the website, and you can click on save changes, and it will automatically add a font to your website in Webflow that you will be able to use when typing text. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.